What is up, and welcome to the vlog. Today we're just going to kind of hang out, talk a little bit. As most of you know, I still don't have my Mustang back yet, but I do have a few things I want to talk about. One of the things I want to talk about is trying to support one another. What I want to start trying to do is give shout outs to some of the smaller channels that maybe don't have a lot of views. My channel is still very small, obviously, but I'm very appreciative of everyone that has subscribed and really supported me. Now, what I'm calling small is your 1,000 and below subscribers, because you know that's when you start being able to be monetized, and a lot of people are trying to get to that point, and it does help. You know, my channel is making a little bit of money. It's not much, but it does make some, and I would really like to try to shed some light on the smaller channels out there that maybe just aren't getting seen. That's the hardest part of this whole thing, is trying to put yourself out there and be seen without clickbait. So that's one thing I try not to do with you guys. I try not to clickbait you, although sometimes I do get creative on the wording and whatnot, because I kind of have to do that if I'm going to get traffic to kind of stop, take a second to look. But with all that being said, I really do want to give a couple shout outs. I will put up links to everyone that I mentioned, and maybe even a screenshot of their page so you know what to look for. I'd like for you guys to go check out Black Knight Mustang Lifestyle. You guys have got to go check him out. He's in Alabama with me. He's a little further north, but he's got a New Edge Mustang, a super clean car, and he'll even do a song and dance every once in a while. It's crazy to me that he doesn't have any more exposure than he does, but that's what we're trying to do. He shares small mods, so he stays, you know, kind of in line with the budget thing, but he always does small mods to his cars, and it's just, I don't know, I mean, I like it. I like the atmosphere. I like the vibe that I get from him. I'd really appreciate it if you guys would at least check him out, see if it's something that you like. Now, next up is going to be Bones 5.0. So he's kind of been out of the game for a little while. He hasn't put a lot of stuff up, but here recently he started posting again, and he's got a Bronco and he's got a Fox body. Fox body super clean. The Bronco's really nice too. So maybe you guys are into the old school Broncos and whatnot. If so, by all means, go check him out. Show him some support, and you know, just leave some positive feedback. And I think he's going to try to pick up on the videos a little bit. All the Mustang content that we can get a hold to, especially Fox body stuff, it's hard to come by. So I'm going to put that out there for you. But he's definitely one to go check out. Next up is PM Performance. He's got a yellow SN95 Mustang. I think it's supercharged, a beautiful car. It reminds me a lot of my Terminator. Really great guy. I love his content. So I think he's gonna have some new stuff for you guys to kind of offer up here pretty soon. He's been experimenting with some new software and whatnot. So by all means, go give him a look. See if you like it. Maybe you'll stick around. I think it's great content. The only thing I can really offer you is to drive a little bit of traffic through. You know, 3,000 of you guys may see this video, and I could probably get 500 of them to kind of, you know, look through everybody's page. Take a few minutes, guys. Just look through. This is no sub for sub thing. This is no YouTube scam or anything like that. I'm just trying to put you up on more guys that do what we do, but I'm trying to put you up on the smaller channels so that I can help them out. That's all this is about. I was shown love by you guys. I got lucky. My channel kind of took off, although it's not big. It's perfect for me. I want my channel to grow slowly, and I want you guys to stick around and want to see the content that I put out. But if these guys aren't getting any exposure and aren't getting any traffic through their channel, how are they supposed to grow without clickbait? And then people get mad because you got clickbaited and whatnot. It's on these channels to make what I throw at them stick. So the traffic that they push through, hopefully some of you guys will stick around, give them some support. A lot of times we get better whenever we see that people are out there and they care about us and they're backing us. You know, if you've had a channel for a year and you've only got 100 and something subscribers, 200 subscribers, it's really hard to stay motivated. But let's say you get an influx of a couple hundred subscribers, you know, maybe that's the extra little bit of initiative that some of these people need to be able to go out there and keep providing content. We have no clue of what some of these guys have to offer us unless we give them a chance. Leave them some positive comments, guys. If you've got some constructive criticism, leave that. Please do it in a respectful manner, though. Let's just try to help everybody out. So that's what this video is about. I just kind of wanted to just give a shout out to some of the guys. They're all subscribers of mine, and they've helped me out, so I'm gonna help them out. You guys let me know, though, if this is something that you want to see more of. If so, just let me know. In this video only, until we do another one, if you have a small YouTube channel under 1,000 subscribers that is car related and you'd like for me to kind of just glance through, maybe give you some exposure. If nothing else, you can advertise yourself down in my channel, only on this video though. I will approve most everything that comes through, because what YouTube does is block a lot of the things that comes through. If you're trying to send a link to another YouTube channel or something like that, YouTube blocks that stuff out and sends it usually to my spam folder. So if I go in and it's legit, I will approve the comment so that people can at least check it out for themselves. And if they're good channels, hey, you never know, I might give you a shout out on the next video. All right guys, taking up enough of your time, please by all means go check these guys out, give them a chance, okay? And as always, thanks for watching.
High volume, high volume, high
Oh yeah guys, one more thing. I have started a Brutu L playlist on Spotify, so if you have Spotify and you're interested in it, please go check it out. I don't benefit from that, not one bit. I just did this for you guys. You know I love music. I always try to put decent music in my videos, and as of right now, I have a rock playlist. It's all rock music from, some of it is from the 70s. I have probably 10, 15 songs from like the 70s. Most of it is late 80s, mainly 90s, and up into some of the current music, but not a lot. Basically, I just kind of pulled the plug somewhere around 2005-ish, but I did add a couple of the new songs. Mainly, this is old school stuff with a touch of new in it, because that's typically what us Fox Body and Mustang guys like, or at least everybody that watches my channel, but I will evolve with you guys. Let me know if there's any songs that I left out, and there's a possibility I just forgot some, but these are all hand-picked. I created this playlist for you guys. Give it a shot though, maybe you'll like it. Anyway, thanks for watching.